Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss how to install a module for Arduino and Python that will be useful in such a way that we control Arduino board and write on it software directly from Python without using any other Arduino software as a driver or something like this to communicate with the Arduino board. So we can control the Arduino board by using taking measurements and controlling whatever actuators we might have on the board directly from Python using an Arduino library that is called Firmata. So first of all, let's see how we can install Arduino software for these measurements that we are doing. So in your browser you like to type Arduino download, then we go to Arduino. The first one will be exactly what we are searching, this one, so we'll click on it and we can see this is the latest version of Arduino IDE. It might be a different one for you several months from now or years, I hope. And but the point is that because we are it's going to be the procedure the similar way. So as most of the students are using Windows, running Windows, then I'm focusing this video on the Windows. And if you want to use other, then you can see you can use Mac for Apple or also Linux, various options. I will go for Windows 7 and newer, so we'll click on there, and if you want to contribute, please go ahead and do it. If not, just download, and then it will most of in your case it will take you, if you didn't set the computer, it will download directly without asking you this into the downloads. In my case, I set the computer in such a way that it asks me where to put it. So I generally put it I have them organized in downloads. I have a folder that I created called kits, and again here I have multiple executables. So under the folder Arduino I put this one just a little bit before just to test it. So I will not save it. In your case, you go ahead, please save it, and then go there, click on it wherever you put it, either the, any folder you went, then go start upload installing, and follow the directions that the software is telling you. So this is a clear software, no viruses, nothing, no strings attached, in other words. After you are installing it, you will see that on your desktop it will put an Arduino icon, and in order to select the Firmata, as you said, we double click, we start this icon, and you'll see here there are two features that are very important. First of all, of course, I would suggest before doing proceeding ahead, if you didn't do it so far, even before opening the Arduino software, please go ahead and attach your board through a USB to your computer. And now we want to see two things. First of all, it is you can see here in the this menu tools, you go there and there are several things. First of all, it's recognizing the Arduino board. In my case, it's Arduino Uno. If it doesn't recognize it automatically, then you go and select it. So which you can see it selected, which is not true. So I have to go back to Arduino Uno. The second thing that you can see here, other than the board, is the port. And this is very important for us because we want to remember or search for it if we forget. So we have to open. There are multiple ways to do it. I'll show you how you can do it with the Arduino board. In this case, you can see that it tells me on my computer is the serial port count 3. In your case, might be a different one. Please recall which one it is. If you don't know, go back here and use it. Then the second thing that it's important, we want to upload that library Firmata on the board so we can communicate through it from Python. So under menu file menu, you go to examples, and you can see there is multiple libraries. The one that I am we are interested is the Firmata. And of course we will go here and upload the standard Firmata. This is the whole library that is written in such a way that the Arduino board gives control to any software you're coding in. If you're coding in C, C++, or Python, as in our case, you don't have to use Arduino. This will be a translating tool from Python straight to whatever software is there. So you don't have to do it with two programs. Like for example, PySigil library. It requires you to come here and write the code as a driver for hardware for the Arduino board, and another one for this Python, which is not the case that we want to do. So right now we have this sketch and we upload it right now, as you can see in this Firmata. It's running, compiling, and then it will upload straight in our board, which it does right now, and it's done uploading. So up to this moment we are done with Arduino software, unless we are forgetting what is the COM port. Then we are pretty much done with this. I will not access it unless we have something to debug or use other board or forget the COM port. So in the next video I'll show we'll go how to install Python and how to start coding in Python, so we can take measurements from the Arduino board straight in Python. Thank you.